Saturday is the game at 1 o'clock, and that's against University of Minnesota Crookston, and we have tailgating before that and the fun run that morning as well. Thursday we have the Blizzard Check block party. Combined this year, we'll have a big Ferris wheel out on the Atwood Mall, hopefully if it doesn't rain. And then a miniature golf course, inflatables, lots of free food, and things for people to do that night. I would say that the numbers are growing, like each event we do, especially like once people become aware that it's homecoming week. So I think towards the end of the week and at the football game, I mean, stands will be full. The events are pretty popular, and we expect a good turnout.
We just have a hectic week that week. Yeah. That's about it. We have a lot of stuff to do to try and promote, I guess, Huskies and the team. So we hand out like flyers, like noisemakers and stuff that'll get the crowd going and stuff. So we go and visit each person that are there. Yeah, everyone that's there, and we try and, I guess, amp up the football team so that we can get them prepared for the game.
A lot of the events now are geared towards having school spirit, which is ultimately what they felt is kind of the point of homecoming, is to bring the school together and have you have more pride in like the college that you attend. And so that was it's honestly a huge restructuring of how it's going to work. They've introduced, like I've talked about, a lot more tradition, and they're going to try and continue to build those so that it becomes something that is carried on throughout the years.